If you're looking to replace Zapier, maybe Albato is the way to go. Right now, it's on a lifetime deal, and I'm going to show you the tool just to see if it's the right fit for you. So let's go jump over there. So right now, one of the benefits that Albato has is that it's on a lifetime deal for a limited time. On the other hand, Zapier is month to month. Now the deal starts off at $69, and let me show you what that plan actually gets you. So there's 3 license tiers for this price. $69 for license tier 1, which is 15,000 operations per month, which is pretty much a lot, except for people who have a ton of automations and they are crazy doing these. So you might want to jump into license tier 2 or 3. Next is the 5-minute automation update time. So that means that, let's just say that you're bringing automations from Facebook leads, right? So it's going, if a Facebook leads comes in right now, it needs to wait 5 minutes for it to capture it. Or if they arrived 10 of these leads in a lapse of 1 to 3 minutes, well, it's gonna grab it every 5 minutes, okay? Just so you understand. Next one is 20 active automation numbers, custom webhooks, and custom HTTP requests. Now, in my personal opinion, I think you shouldn't get license tier 1 because it doesn't have the app integrator. That means that you can integrate custom apps. Because if something is not available in Albato, you can create it with the custom app, or you can have a developer create it for you. So this moves away the limitations that Albato has. On the other hand, if you are bringing in from Zapier, well, you won't find all the automations that Zapier has. So in this case, this is a good option. So I would recommend license tier 2 or 3 just because of the app integrator, okay? Now, let's go jump into Albato really quickly to show you how easy it is to automate. Now, there's form templates, which I think are pretty much, I would say, useless because basically we all have our own custom needs. So if I go to all regions, there's some mixed things that we can use here. Or if we want to use, for example, if we want to connect something to Google Sheets, for example, it gives us some examples of what we can do. We can use this and it kind of has the connections already built into it, but it's a waste of time, honestly. Next thing we would do is create a new one. So in a new one, we'll start off fresh and we have the action and, well, it's actually the trigger first and then the action. So what is going to trigger this to do something with it? Like I said, if you're bringing in Facebook leads, if you're filling out a form somewhere else and you want to bring that lead into Google Sheets, well, that is possible with this automation system. Instead of doing it manually, it's possible doing it here. So if I want to add a trigger, I can search through all the apps that they have available. Now, be aware, something that you have to consider with Albato is, like I said, they don't have all the connections. So let me test one first. So I'll add webhook, which is a pretty basic thing that you need to use, and the incoming webhook, okay? So let's add the trigger. There we go. And then we're gonna click on the webhook catcher to grab this link. So in this case, this is a link that we need to use. Now, hypothetically, I can say I wanna bring in information from JotForm or any form builder that has webhooks, okay? And I'll grab this one, for example, edit form, look at settings, the integrations, and most form builders have webhooks integration. So just to give you an idea what you can do with this, okay? So let's complete the integration. And now remember, Albato is still waiting for this to be sent. All right, so it needs to receive data so it knows what it's about. Okay, so let's finish this up. Let's go into publish and I'll fill this form out really quickly. Okay. There we go, it's been filled out. Let's go into Albato. There we go, it received the information. So it received all of this information. So now I'm gonna close it. So now we have something to work with the automation. So in this hypothetical case, we're gonna fill out a form and it's gonna send out this data. So this could be someone with, like I just did right now. For example, it was a schedule, okay? So now what do I want to do with this? Well, we can create an action, which is the next app that you wanna connect to. So for example, if we wanna connect to Google Sheets to send this data and store it there, we can say, for example, create or update row. We're gonna create an updated row. I'm gonna select the Albato just for testing. Let's add the action. And it's gonna tell us what we want to do with the columns. For example, column A, from the webhook that we receive, we wanna add the submission ID. Column B is gonna be from the webhook that we received. We're gonna add the username. Column C, and we're gonna grab the data, the type, all right? So on and so forth. That's how it's going to work. Let's go ahead and save this. Okay, let's save it. And there we go. Now, other things that we can do with this, we can add another action to this, but we can also create some tools in between. So I'm gonna click the plus button in between these two actions, and there's tool, okay? In this tool, this is really useful when you need to do certain type of things. So for example, if I want to delay this, so for example, when that submission is filled out, I wanted to delay for the next action. So I can do so by using these. So for example, there's a table lookup, a date and time modification. So let's just say that you want to connect to another action from another app, but it needs to format the date because it's not going to work with the one it has already. You can do it here, phone number formatting, parse JSON, the stop automation or conditions, or using conditional logic, mathematical operations, find and replace, rule unions, a lot of things you can do with this, okay? So just to give you an idea of all the things that we can do. There's even a router in case you wanna do two things with it. So if I select this, it's gonna add a router to it. So for example, if I select test, we're gonna add a condition. So if, I don't know, the incoming webhook for request method equals blah, 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 well, it's gonna do one route and it's gonna continue with that route. If I wanna add another condition, I can do so here. And then there's another route for this. I'm not gonna go in depth with this, but it gives you an idea of how flexible Albato is, okay? And again, like I said, if I need to add another action, connect to another app, so I could do several things with one trigger. So when someone schedules, fills out a form, or we get a Facebook lead, or we do with any automation, we receive that data, we can do several actions with it. So it saves us time. And that's the whole idea of Albato. Now, if you're considering to grab Albato, like I mentioned before, do consider that one, it has the apps and the actions that you want to, that you're using already on Zapier in case you're moving away from Zapier. And if it does, then it's a good option because, well, you're paying lifetime instead of month to month. But if not, you have to consider license tier 2 and grab with the custom apps. Like I said, I would recommend license tier 2 just because of this, because it gives us that flexibility of connecting other applications in case Albato doesn't have it. And I'll give you a quick example. For example, Albato, I use things like Facebook post, and I'll go to Facebook automation, and I can send an offline event or add users to a custom audience. But I can't make a post on a Facebook group, on a Facebook page, etc. And I can with Zapier and other automators. So things that you have to consider before you jump into Albato. So you can grab it because it has what you need right now, or because you think it has potential and it might have what you want in the future. But there you go, that's Albato. If you want to lock in that deal, to consider it because it's going to be available for a limited time. Well, that's a wrap.